Díogwit. In this video we're going to look at 5 sports in Irish. If you want to support me here on this channel, you can do so by PayPal. I leave a link in the description and you'll see a link on the About page to this channel. Any help will be much appreciated. So back to this video on some different sports. Let's start with football. Football is pell. Pell. American football is pell very connacht. Pell very connacht. Is má liom bheith ag immert pell. I like to play football. Is má liom bheith ag immert pell. Moving on to basketball. Kishfel is basketball. Kishfel. And the basketball court is Court Kishfel. Court Kishfel. Imrian Sheed Kishfel. They play basketball. Imrian Sheed Kishfel. Let's move on to cricket. The Irish for cricket is crickade. Crickade. And I play cricket is Imriam Crickade. Imriam Crickade. Tennis is next. The Irish for tennis is ladóg. Ladóg. Imrian Sheed ladóg. They play tennis. Imrian Sheed ladóg. Moving on then to hockey. Hockey is hocka. Hocka. And ice hockey is hocka ire. Hocka ire. Imrian Sheed hocka. They play hockey. Imrian Sheed hocka. So that brings us to the end of this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to let me know the many other sports in Irish in the comment section below. Thanks again, and I'll see you soon. Slán go fóill.